Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Pushkar this side, and today I have a very simple but very important video for you. So a lot of people have recently reached out and they asked me if they need to build a simple app like a simple CRM, do they need to build it from scratch? So the question is, if you want to build a simple app like a CRM app is always going to have certain common elements. So lead list is always going to be there, your Kanban board, maybe even proposals, invoicing, sales process. Those standard elements are always going to be part of any CRM. So the question is very reasonable. If you want to build a standard simple CRM, why do we need to build it from scratch? And the short and simple answer is no. You don't have to build everything from scratch. So that's what I want to show you today. So stay with me till the end of the video and I'm sure you'll learn something valuable. So if we go to the Fuzen website and click on the resources tab, you'll see there are a couple of tools that are really useful when you want to fast track your app development. So the first one is a marketplace. So basically this is a marketplace where you can hire a freelancer to help with your app development. So let's say you're building something complex app, maybe you're building a marketplace or you want to build an AI agent, which is not very easily possible with vibe coding alone and you need some technical help. So you can go to the Fuzen marketplace and you can click on find professionals. So this is where you can find freelancers who are registered on the Fuzen platform. You can search for them by particular skill set. You can check out their ratings. You can check out what kind of projects they have worked in the past. And if it looks like they can help you with your project, you can hire them. You can directly contact them and you can hire them to work on your app and to help with your app. So this is one thing that you can do to fast track your app development, especially useful when you're building a complex app. But to address our earlier question, what do you do when you're building a simple app? Do you need to build everything from scratch? So like I said earlier, you don't need to build everything from scratch. So again, if we go to the website and click on the resources link, and you can go to the app templates. So down here you'll find the app templates link. So basically this is another part of our app marketplace where you can buy app templates to fast track your app development. So basically these are all the different kind of app templates that are available in the Fuzen marketplace. And as you can see, some of these app templates are free and some of these app templates come at a nominal one-time cost. So this is very important. So even those app templates which are premium, which are paid app templates, those are also available at a one-time cost. So immediately what you'll realize is all these app templates will fast track your app development, but they will not trap you in any kind of recurring subscription. So that's very important. Once you click on any app template and view the details of that template, you can check out the screenshots of what kind of functionality is included within this app template. So right now I'm looking at a app template which is basically an AI powered WhatsApp CRM. So within this template I can expect this kind of functionality. I can expect a leads dashboard. I can check the WhatsApp conversation that I've had with different leads. So basically this is a WhatsApp based CRM. So this is an app template that is a premium app template. It's available at a nominal one-time cost and you get lifetime access with it. So you're not trapped in any kind of recurring subscription. And the other interesting thing is that you are not limited by the number of users. We don't put any ceiling on the number of users. I'll tell you a bit more about how you can install this app template and how you can use it. Before I do that, I also want to draw your attention to another thing, which is these free templates. So basically if you want to build a simple CRM, you can start with this free template. So when the template is free, you don't need to buy it. You can directly install it within your Fuzen account and you can directly start using that app. So let me show you how you can do that. So if we go to the template details page, you'll see this is the template details page. This is where you can check out the features, you can check out the screenshots, you can check out detailed functionality of this app template. And because this is a free template, you don't need to buy it. you can directly click on this get instant access button. You can get instant access to it. So when you click on that button, Fuzen will start installing that app template in your account. So basically the template will create a new app within your Fuzen account. So right now we have created this new app using this free template. So far we have not spent any dollars. So far the overall cost is zero, and right off the bat I got a fully working CRM using a free template. And let's see what this free CRM template does for me. So I have some basic functionality, like I have a dashboard where I have a Kanban board and I can drag leads through different columns. We have a products directory here. We can create new products. We can manage the products here. We have a lead creation form, so we can basically create new leads, and those leads will be managed on the dashboard. So it's a very simple, very basic CRM. It's a bare bones version of a CRM. So you'll ask, what do we do in case we want to add some functionality to this? How do we add any customized functionality to this? So it's very easy. So you'll see this edit widget in the bottom left corner. You just click on that widget, you go to the edit with AI option, and here you can specify what kind of customizations you need. So right now I'm just going to say add a leads table on the dashboard. So just to show you how easy it is to customize this app using AI, we'll just try a simple message. We'll send a simple message to AI agent that I want to add a leads table on this dashboard. So right now we have a Kanban board. In addition to this Kanban board, we also want a table. So AI took a few seconds to work on this, and now you can see that AI has added a leads table just like we asked. Right now we don't have any lead data, but you can see we have the original Kanban board, and in addition to that, AI has added a leads table just like we asked. So you can see how easy it is to customize the basic functionality that we got from the template. So in a nutshell, what we have done here is we went to the app templates marketplace. We looked at this free CRM template. We installed it instantly. We installed it for free. So we didn't need to spend any money to get the basic version working. And once we had access to the basic version, we started customizing it using AI. So if you want to customize this CRM with AI, maybe it will cost you some $10, $20, $30, but that's it. That's a one-time cost. So if you use a free template and maybe spend $10 or $20 in customization, you will get a fully customized CRM within just a few minutes at a very nominal cost. And once you start using that CRM, you can simply invite your team members to this app and they can start using it. And from then onwards, you only pay for hosting cost. Let me show you what I mean. So if you go to the Fuzen website and if you click on pricing, you'll see different pricing plans. So these pricing plans are basically meant for different kinds of hosting or server usage. So whenever you install any app on Fuzen, you start with a free tier. Free tier is good enough. If you have 3-4 team members using your app, free tier is good enough to host them. If your app is getting used by maybe 5 or 10 or 20 team members, that's when you can start thinking of moving to a starter plan. So you will need starter plan when your business is scaling up, when you're growing, that's when you will need starter plans. And when you're at more mature stages, maybe you can consider higher pricing plans. But you have a free tier that is good enough to get you started, and as your usage increases, you can invest more in hosting. But as I mentioned earlier, apart from this, there is no restriction in terms of number of users. So whenever you install a template, it is the app that you build with this template is going to be your property. We're not going to restrict you by the number of users. If your usage increases, you'll only need to go to a higher server, and that's it. You only pay for hosting costs, and you're not limited by the number of users, or you're not trapped in any kind of recurring subscription. And as I mentioned earlier, some of these app templates, premium app templates, will be available at a one-time cost, and this is a nominal one-time cost. So for example, if you want an AI powered WhatsApp chatbot or WhatsApp CRM, you can buy that at a nominal one-time cost. Once you buy this template, you can go to your Fuzen dashboard and you can go to a purchases page or purchases module. So within your Fuzen dashboard, if you go to the purchases module or purchases page, this is where you'll find all the app templates that you have purchased. And if you go to this page and if you purchased any template, you can just simply click on this button and install this template, and you can start using this app right away. So any app that you install with a template, it's going to be a production ready app. It's going to be connected to a backend database. It's going to have all the functionality which is ready to use. You can just invite your team members and start using it. So now you know how you can really fast track your app development, whether you're building a complex app or a simple app. So if you're building a complex app, go to Fuzen's marketplace, hire a freelancer to help you. And because most of your app development is going to be done with the help of AI, it's going to cost you less than 90% compared to other alternatives, and it's going to get highly fast tracked. And if you're building a simple app, then I'm sure you can go to Fuzen's marketplace and you can find an app template that is really close to what you're looking to build. And if you start with an app template, it's going to give you a very solid foundation. A lot of basic functionality is going to get installed in your app right off the bat. So if you start with that kind of strong foundation, you cut down on your AI tokens expenditure. So you don't need to spend as many AI tokens that you would need otherwise. So you lower your app development cost, and because you're using an app template, you also cut down on the app development time. So now you know, if you're building an app, the best way to fast track your app development is to visit Fuzen's marketplace. You either start by hiring a freelancer, or you can also purchase an app template or use a free app template to fast track your app development. I hope you like the video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.